Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you a way to go undetectable using ChatGPT in your research work or any of your use case. Say for example, you want to you ask a question, you get an answer from ChatGPT. Let's say, what do you think about future of work? So now ChatGPT will be giving me an answer. So this answer, if I try to put this somewhere, then there is always a risk that this can be caught because there are tools that can detect what is coming out of ChatGPT. So this is the answer that I got. So I don't have the personal opinions of it. The future of work is expected to change in this way. So I'll copy this and I'll go to undetectable AI. Now here this is an AI rewriting tool which will help you humanize the writing. So let me put it here. So readability is saying that, are you looking for a university, doctorate, journalist, marketing? What is your intention? Readability. So I'm gonna say text, paste it here. Now waiting for input. Now this is purpose is general writing, essay writing. Let's say it's for a report. Now we'll check for AI. So here it clearly said your content is detected as written by AI. So now he's asking me whether I want to sign up to humanize and make this text undetectable. So I can make humanize this by signing up with Google account. Let me do that. Now I have signed up for Undetectable AI. So this will help you turn your flagged artificial intelligence content into high quality writing that bypasses various AI detectors and is indistinguishable from human written text. So now I am again pasting the content here that I have already pasted earlier. Now I'm saying humanize it. So here it says more readable for blogs, marketing, copy, and most AI detectors. It says balanced. If you click on this, more human, then for overly aggressive or inconsistent AI detectors. I'm going to say humanize it. So now it's saying insufficient balance. So your document contains 441 words. Your balance is around 250 words. That means for the number of words I have exceeded. So instead of doing that for all, let me try to cut this short and try again. Now it's made by AI, that is there. Now return your aggressive content. So now let me turn that to humanize it. Let me humanize it. Let me put my content here again. Now I'm gonna turn this and say humanize. So let me click on this agree to terms and services. Now you will see the result here. So this is the original submission. The future of work is expected to be shaped by various factors, including advances in technology, changing demographics, evolving work practices. Here are some key trends and consideration. Automation, artificial intelligence, remote and flexible work. These are the things that I have put. So now it will take some time to convert this 130 words into humanized content. So you can sign up in this website and you can get that API also. So once you get that credits, they will charge you for a number of words. The more words you translate or convert into humanized the text, then it will charge accordingly. Let's see how it comes up. The estimated queue time is around 40 seconds. Now it had converted it. It says a myriad of factors such as technology progress, demographic shifts, changing work practice shape the future of employment. While there may be job loss in specific sectors to see innovation, there is also potential scope for exploring novel opportunity, which would bring demand upskilling, all those things. I'm going to say copy this output. And now this one, I can use it anywhere. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.